Clinical research and healthcare have always been integrated. As I think about it, even in the days before Uber and Airbnb, research and healthcare were the shared economy, right? We were always dependent on the research community, on physicians, patients, infrastructure out of healthcare. I think that as we see a lot of the integration in healthcare here in the US as well as outside the US, it's creating some tremendous opportunities for us to rethink how expansive we can be around what integration really is. To me, the opportunity is to really focus on that point of care. The patients we're looking to recruit in our clinical trials today, they're not unknown. They're not some mysterious consumer that we have to find somewhere in the country. These individuals have a condition. They're often already being prescribed a medication, and that means they have a physician. They have a treating physician. They have a touch point with healthcare. While we like to think that reaching directly to patients makes us patient-centric, we're doing patients a disservice if we're sending them back into the healthcare environment without also engaging their treating physician or giving the patient the tools to engage their treating physician. After this collaborative, I think that there are a couple of different tiers of next steps that we can all think about, and I know I'll be thinking about. One is, what can we do differently in our own organization today? What are the steps that we can take as individual organizations to start to engage better in helping that bridging process between research and healthcare with all the different studies that we're all touching every day? I think the next tier to me is, what are those one-to-one opportunities? Who are the other individual organizations that I can start to identify and engage differently to start to move that needle around bridging? And then that third tier to me is, what are those larger opportunities that none of us can do alone, or even just with a friend, that we have to work together across pharma companies, across the ecosystem, to have an aligned goal and try to move together? And how do we bring folks together in the right way to make action happen?